never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. Girl, you were close to me like my mother, close to me like my father, close to me like my sister, close to me like my brother. And you are the only one, my everything. And all my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. And all my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. When you smile on my face, all I see is a glow. You turn my life around. You pick me up when I was down. You're all that I ever know. When you smile, my face glow. You pick me up when I was down. And I hope that you feel the same way.
You have lit a fire. You brought the spirit. Okay, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Shawn Sounds, and I live in Houston, Texas.
H-Town.
Oh, Texas!
Yes,
Use it, Kelly.
you have such a solid voice. Your runs are beautiful. Your range is amazing. I was just waiting to hear the range, like where you were going to kind of take it, and you did, and that's why you got a 4-chair turn. Congrats to you on the voice, man.
Thank you.
Shawn. Your tone is beautiful. Your control is great. You managed a difficult arrangement, which is really a sign of a lot of skill. And then at the end, Shawn,
yeah!
that was one of the best ending runs I've ever heard.
That was crazy.
It was like you did the triple axel, you know, when you're figure skating, and you just nailed it. That's when we knew we had a star for this show, and we're so excited that you got 4 chairs to turn around. You deserve it, and I would love to have you on my team, Shawn.
Thank you.
4 chairs, but only 1 chair I think that is the most important chair, which is this chair. I kind of knew John was going to turn. I just wanted to be first, and I wasn't, which pisses me off because you're so damn good, and I should have turned the second I had the instinct, because I would have had that to argue with, but I don't.
Good pitch.
I know I might be fighting and losing battle here. Oh, John.
Oh, Adam.
Johnny, John. Shawn and John. It's gonna suck.
Sounds like a billion-dollar company.
It does, doesn't
Shawn
it?
John, baby.
But it already exists. There's no Shawn Adam. There's no Shadam. There's no Ad Shawn.
You're filibustering.
No, filibuster.
Say something.
I'm
That's
saying
the SAT word, filibuster.
you need a coach who's willing to go this far. You use your voice in a way that was strong and powerful throughout, but the end showed me, at least, this dude is an artist, and he paints with his voice and pours his soul out, but at the same time, you're so refined. You care about every little detail, but in such a soulful way. I think you're a brilliant singer, man.
Shawn, you may think, why would I go with this country guy as my coach? I mean, we seem very different. None of that matters, because I thought the triple Lindy ending was incredible also. The triple Lindy, is that what you said?
I said triple axel.
Triple
Oh, was it?
axel.
Wah, wah, wah. The triple Lindy is from back to school,
Somebody
right?
grab a dictionary. What just happened?
My job isn't to be like you. We're not meant to be in the same genre. This is a coach-artist relationship. My job is to help you be the best you, whatever you want to do.
Wow. Some sincere pitching from Blake.
I'm just curious. You have to sing for a living, right?
I have my own cover band, but I'm a middle school teacher.
We love teachers here,
Teacher.
Yeah, absolutely.
The only reason why I'm a singer is actually my middle school choir director. She's like, you sound different from the rest. Like, stay here, stay with this.
Same thing for me, my kindergarten teacher, singing the ABC song. She was like, hold up, hold up, hold up. Sing that again?
Shawn, truly, we all love you. We all think you're incredible. Who will you pick as your coach?
I love you.
Come on, baby, come on.
Come on.
This is a very tough decision.
Come on, baby. Come on, Shawn. Come on.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, but I choose for my coach, John Legend.
Yeah!